the Sirena 60. Now, to do a vessel of this size justice, I believe that we need to split it up into 2 separate videos. And I think that the best way to do that is to focus on her 2 sides. So she is, one, a day yacht. She has so many spaces outside for entertaining, for dining, for sun lounging, for water activities, but she's also a very well-equipped, all-around liveaboard boat. So that's what I want to focus on in this video, and what better place to start than at the heart of it all, here in the galley. I see storage in this space everywhere. Up above, down below, 4-burner cooktop, plenty of counter space, storage for oils and spices up against the window, even storage underneath the countertops. The sink does have custom inlays so that you can maximize counter space or use the sink. Down below, there's a convection oven, dishwasher, and more storage. Over on the port side, residential style upright fridge and freezer, additional storage, and as an owner operator, this is such a convenient location for your emergency stop. I would get in the habit of telling my guests on board where that is, just as a safety precaution. So many yachts like this, you have to dig and hunt for that button. And more storage, lots of storage. Controlling everything that goes on in this space is right as you come in the door. Light switches, air conditioning, and the Fusion head unit. Moving forward, more glass storage up above, wine fridge down below, and again, storage, storage, storage. In the 60, there are lots of options for customization, from textiles to colors to layout. They've opted with the credenza on this one, but you can also do opposing seating. The TV is gonna rise up from behind this credenza, and just little attention to detail pieces. The beveling of the wood just gives it that elevated feel in this space. This is gonna be a great space to sit and watch movies, have light dinners. Look at the choice of fabric. This is such a unique pattern and texture. I'm gonna guess that this is probably a custom choice, and you could have just about anything you want in this space. The Sirena 60 is absolutely designed to be an owner-operator vessel. The helm station is very comfortable with flip-down bolsters. My view through the vertical, curved, iconic Sirena windshields is almost 360 degrees. The designers of the 60 put the helm station on the port side to really maximize flow in this living space. And the helm station being in the main living space, it needs to follow the same aesthetic that you see in the living accommodations. So not only is this a highly functional helm station, but it's also a beautiful one. Steering wheel on a tilt base is centerline with my compass up above. Dual Garmin screens all the way forward with an additional satellite one to starboard of the helm. You have your Garmin controls as well. On the port side, there's your digital throttle controls, joystick, bow thruster controls. This boat is equipped with the Humphreys zero-speed stabilizer fins. We have wiper controls and chain counter. There are cup holders on both sides, but I don't know many beverages that are gonna fit in that tiny of a cup holder. There are AC vents right here at the helm to keep the operator cool. The Sirena 60 is a Class A vessel, which means she is rated for ocean crossings. And nowhere is that more evident in this watertight door. So it's electrically actuated. So I have to push a button before I can open it so that it releases those heavy duty latches. Once I hear it's finished, it opens smoothly. When I shut it, an electrical mechanism starts to pull the door all the way in, ensuring that it's a watertight seal. There is a footrest for the helm station, but look how beautifully it's been added into this woodwork. So it has a function, yet it's stylish. On the starboard side, a sliding door hides your electrical panel so that the aesthetic is uninterrupted, but you have easy access to both your AC and DC panels. This is a cool little touch. So these lights will indicate if your anchor and stern lights are on or if any bilgers are running. All of the sleeping accommodations are down below, so let's go check that out next. Coming down the curved staircase, The companionway is lit from up above with natural light coming both from the windshield and an opening hatch all the way above. All the way forward is the VIP in the V-berth, and just look at the attention to detail in the accents throughout. So again, we have light gray, medium gray, and then black accents. There are 2 full whole-side windows with opening port lights and blackout curtains, so if your guests want to sleep in, they absolutely can. The VIP has its own ensuite with a pedestal sink, mirror, walk-in shower with a seat, built-in storage for bottles, and a rain shower up above. Out into the companionway, there is a door for day head access, but you can also access this head from the second guest cabin. It's a side-by-side cabin, hanging locker, and there are recessed nooks on the side wall for additional storage. There's always the chance in this 60 to 65 foot segment that this third cabin feels pretty tight and cave-like, but Sirena's done a good job of bringing in a little natural light through that port light, plus lighting and headspace up above to make this feel like a pretty spacious cabin. As every good weekender or live-aboard boat should have, there is a combo washer dryer down below, and right and open full beam master cabin. Large whole side windows with opening port lights so you can get fresh air in here if you want to. On the port side, there's a credenza with a built-in vanity and storage down below. In these spaces, the TV is usually just an afterthought and they just mount it to the wall. But Sirena has added a bit of design to it. So they've hidden it behind this mirrored glass, but you don't have to take that glass down to see the TV. All you have to do is turn it on and it'll shine bright through during the daytime. It's a good mirror. Full walk around king size bed, a nice mix of woods, upholstery, different textures, different colors that all blend together very beautifully in a very modern aesthetic. On the starboard side, there's a small settee, hanging locker all the way aft, and an ensuite with another walk-in shower. That one has an opening port light inside, and again, that large rain shower up above. That's my boat show walkthrough of the interior spaces and a review of the livability and accommodations of the Sirena 60. She really is a beautiful boat with exquisite finishes. It's manufacturers like these that make it easy to say that life is always better on a boat.